Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is and of course we are here in Motherhood Beyond Beauty. Alright, so I think it's been a long time since I had my very last makeup tutorial, although I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I just want to share of how I apply my makeup on my face in a very easy way. So right now I'm gonna show it to you guys, so just check out and see the transformation of my face. Alright, so are you ready? Let's start now. Okay, so I have already prepared my face ahead of time. I actually applied this moisturizer, this Celotech. I can remove this. Here we go. This Celotech Dermo Science Skin or Sun Care Moisturizer. And after this, I also applied this BB cream from Everbilena. I like this, guys. A little goes a long way. Alright? And also my under eye, I have also applied, of course, my very favorite concealer. Oh my gosh, where's my eye concealer? Oh my gosh, okay. This LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is, what number is this? I don't know what number is this, but this shade. Alright. Alright, so this one, this Pro Concealer. And that's what I actually put here under my eye. As you can see, I don't, but I still have some pigmentations over here. So what I usually do is that I apply foundation. Alright, so I have to apply this one from Maybelline. Alright, Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me. So this is in shade 220. You see that, guys? Shade 220. So what I usually do is that I have to take this one first. And then I apply on my face just a little amount of it. Like this is small. This is small, guys. Alright. So this very small amount, I apply that on my blemishes. Like this one, and also this one. Those are just the three of them. And I also have some part over here and part over here. So those are just actually some of my blemishes. Alright, so I just have to give a tap on it. A little tap on it. As you can see, it's a magic, right? It's a magic. There we go. I hope this one works very well on my skin. Wow. This is the magic. So as you can see, guys, the pimple marks on my face works like a magic. And of course, to make sure that it would last, I always use this, I'm going to review this Make It Last from, oh my gosh, this is from Milani. Yeah. This is from Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I just have to spray my face just a little bit. Alright, so I just... Alright. That's it. And of course I'm going to be using my portable pen. Oh my gosh, what happened? There is a coin inside. Okay, there we go. So I just have to make sure that your face is dry, alright, before you apply. Not totally dry, but a little damp, you know. Alright. That's it. So you guys cannot see that anymore. The pimple marks has gone, alright? And because of this, Fit Me by Maybelline Duo. For my shade, this is shade 220. Actually, this is a bit darker on my shade. Alright, so that's actually like one color darker. Alright, one darker on my skin. One shade darker, something like that. Alright, so after we put this foundation, and I think it's time now for me, of course, to put my powder. And I have to use, for my powder, for my loose powder, I actually use this. This is my secret. I use Pond's BB Magic Powder. So this is a magic. It works like a magic on my skin. All I have to do is just, I have just to put a little amount here on my hand, like this amount. Alright? And I'll just have to get my favorite brush. This is my favorite. I intentionally took out, actually this tip of it, because, so that it will fit into my makeup pouch. Alright. So just have to work here on my skin, underneath it. And also the places where I put the foundation. It's like that. Got it. Alright. So, while we're doing that, I have already done my eyebrows, as you can see, guys. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to apply my eyeshadows. Alright. So, this time I'm going to be using this. The eyeshadows that I'm going to be using is from the Fashion 21. This is not eyeshadows, actually. This is Contour Kit. But I'm going to be using, you know, some color or some shade of this. I'll be using this 2 shades or the 3 shades for my eye. And of course, also from Fashion 21, I'll be using this shade. I'm gonna show you guys this one. So it has like this shade. I don't know what color is that. It has indigo. It has, I don't know, rose gold. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be using this one, this lighter shade, because this one is darker. And this lighter shade over here. I'm gonna work it on my crease. All right. So I just have to work it. So make sure that you're gonna be working this in a circular motion. Just make sure that you are blending it properly. Okay.